Alright, just wanted to make a video. Finally got this blister generator set up the way I want it. It's got a brand new voltage regulator from Flight Systems. All brand new, new wiring, new box, everything. I did all this myself. Tighten that up a little bit. Brand new starter. Got the mounting plate, or the spacer plate for it made finally. These blisters, depending on which time of starter it goes on them, they need a different size plate, or a different thickness. There's a bunch of different, there's two different mounting sizes, patterns, bolt patterns for the starter. You can take the studs out and put it in different holes. There's one right here, I'll show you. You see here, there's two sets of holes, and the original ones on this one were 24 volt on all of these. It's got a different different thickness on the starters, and they're all 24 volts, so I couldn't use them, so I had to make my own. But it's ready to go. New starter, new voltage regulator, new air filter, new fuel filter and filter housing. All the plumbing's new, the fuel pump's new. Converted the oil tank over to a fuel tank, so it's got 20-gallon fuel capacity. Everything looks good. The generator head has been rebuilt at some point in its time, fairly recently, because it looks, I know you can't see in there, but everything in there looks absolutely brand new, like it's hardly ever been used. You can tell it was the original one. They've rebuilt it and painted it gray, but it was the original color. So let's fire it up. Thing will outlive everyone, all of us.